Luke Leatherman with Feuling Parts. I'd like to discuss an update to our quickie install push rods for the twin cam engines. And these already are, they're the heaviest, dutiest, if that's correct English, push rod for the twin cam engines. They start out as a 7/16 rod so that we leave 7/16 20 threads on them, and then we machine it down so that it's a 3/8 rod, so that way you have the slip fit. The way that our push rods work is kind of backwards to how everybody else's the quick installs work, but we feel that this gives you a far superior push rod when it comes to the rigidity of it. And one thing that we find is when you can increase the rigidity of the push rod, you increase your valve lift, you eliminate valve train harmonics, and ultimately you end up with a little bit more power and you end up with a quieter running engine. But just kind of to make an update running change to the push rods, what we've done is we've added this knurling. These updates basically came from requests from you guys getting back to us, letting us know your feedback. So we've added some knurling to the rod itself, which helps, you know, when you've got your oily hands and you're in there trying to make the adjustment, you can grab a hold of the rod. And then we've also added a laser etched dot to the base, so that way when you get to your zero lash, when you go to make your adjustment, then you just swivel the, you know, swing the push rod around so that the dot is facing you, and then allows you to count for your adjustment. These are 7/16 20 threads, so 2 full turns gets you to 100 thousandths of preload. Once again, with Feuling, no bullshit, just performance.